Hello everyone, Sai here. I'm working with another project with Scribing for Less October 2020 card kit, and this time I decided that I'm going to use or create some gift tags. Definitely need some. I ran out and I thought this would be a good opportunity to create some so I can use them for my gifts. So to get started, I'm going to use this pattern paper. I believe this is probably collection number 4 to create some tags, and I'm going to use the die that came with the banana split. So I did create 6 tags, and then I went ahead and cut 6 glitter pieces as well. And what I did was I cut it with the die, and then I trimmed it around so that all I had left over was just the center piece for the glitter. Um, this is glitter paper that I had in my stash that I was using for something else, so I decided to bring it along. And it comes in white, red, and green, which somewhat matches the pattern paper. The green is a little bit dark, but it works in the end. So I'm just playing around with the placements, just seeing. And this video is to show you how to make a really quick set of gift tags. So I'm not focusing too much on too much embellishments or anything to make it really stand out. I'm just looking for some easy, quick ways to make some nice looking gift cards. For the white ones, I am going to use some distress ink, and this is the vintage photo, and I'm going to very lightly go all the way around. And then what I want to do is take some of this chunky glitter and some Simon Says Tacky craft glue, and I'm going to add it around the edge of every single one of these circles. This video has definitely been trimmed down a lot, so I'm showing you kind of the 1 steps, and then I'm going to do the rest of them off camera, just so that this video can be nice and quick. I decided to try to add glitter this way, and it didn't work very well. It's a little too small, but I'm giving it a try. And what I realized was I kind of wanted to add some more. And even so, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add more glue and then add more glitter to it. And I want to kind of create an effect of a snowy corner. So I do that twice, and I decided to just grab a bigger bowl. This is much smarter, much easier to do to fill those in. I will say once this is done, the glue did dry more than I thought. So if you're using this type of glue, maybe 3 or 4 more layers, or 2 more layers would give that lift. It did deflate quite a bit compared to what you're seeing there. But in the end, it does have a nice little glittery, snowy effect. I'm now also going to add some green, and this is the new distress color for this year that Tim Holtz released. I can't remember what it's called, but I did that as well as the vintage photo on the white ones. And I'm just going to glue those down with some double-sided tape. And once again, I'm not going to do every single one of them. I will just show you a couple. I'll do one of each color just to show you what it's like. But then I'll do the rest of them off camera, just because it is repetitive. So it's a good opportunity to create a nice short video for you guys. So then I'll do the nice red one. I did try to add some distress inks to this, the same vintage photo, just to see what it would look like. I knew it wouldn't work, but I'd try it anyways, just in case. But you can't see it, so I'm not going to do that to the other red one. And of course, the green one will most likely have the same resistance almost. It's just too dark of a color to see it. I'd probably need a much darker shade of color. And then I'll just mark down or tack down this the green piece. I really love the pattern paper in this collection. It's just so awesome, and that's what made me want to use this one for the gift tags. Of course, I am hiding most of it, but still, really, really adorable paper. So there we go. There's the 6 tags. Next, what I'm going to do, and this is the only bells and whistles that I'm going to be putting on this. No enamel dots, no anything else, just this. And I just like, when it comes to adding 2 layers, I always try to create a divider because I just find that it helps separate 2 layers, especially if they're very similar in color or if it's really busy pattern paper. Now, I'm just laughing to myself looking at this, trying to get these stickers. I did try to use glue because I didn't think these will stick on glitter paper, and I don't think they will that well. But after how much work it took just to do one little piece, I thought to myself, you know, these are gift tags. They're most likely going to be thrown out after they're used. So why put the extra effort into it? Even if they are reused, not having it will still look good. So I'm not going to do that for the rest. I am just going to stick them down on the glitter paper, and they seem to stick well enough. I'm not going to use any glue. That was too much work, but if this was a card, I would have used the glue to make sure it stuck. So I'll just do that on both sides, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to save these stickers. These are actually from Love from Lizzie. Absolutely love these, and I don't need to worry about covering the whole thing because I will be layering these on top. So now that these are all semi-dried, enough for me to work with, once again, they do deflate even more than that. So if you want that effect, I would suggest more glue. I did think that because I put glitter and then more glue on top, that the glitter would kind of make it stay, but no, I think you need special glue. And then using some foam tape, I just prop these circles on top just to cover the gaps between the Love from Lizzie peel-off stickers. Very simple to put these together. I'm very happy with the outcome. It has the glitter, it has the stickers, it has all the awesomeness that gift tags need for Christmas. Next, I'm going to use the ribbons or the strings that came, and I'm going to use the green and the red. And I just trimmed it so that I have 6 equal pieces. And then I'm going to just use, depending on the color of the background, that's the string I'll use. So what I'll do is I'll just fold it in half, stick it through the hole, and then tuck in the tails and pull. In this example, I will tie it to just show you what you can do. Or what I would probably do is not tie them and then just tape it to the box, the string, just because then you can reuse it potentially. And then I'll show you one more time, just in real time, just so you see. So you just fold it in half so that they're both equal on, so it's an equal on each side. And then you're just going to fold, or once it's folded, just stick it through the hole and just pull enough so that you can make a loop and stick the tails through it. I did one by one, but that's because I was fumbling. And then once they're both in, you just pull it up. And that's how you make a quick knot for your tags. As I was doing them all, I noticed that the background is not white. Wasn't really thinking, and then I decided this is a good opportunity to show you what I would normally do. Because these are really nice, people may reuse them. So what I did was I cut another tag out of white cardstock and put a stamp on it. You could use to and from, but I had this really cute one that said Midnight Express Special Delivery for, and then you write the person's name. The reason I like doing this is because then when the gift is done, the person can just take that white one off and reuse the tag. So that's it. That's the 6 tags I created using this kit. Absolutely love them. I can't wait to use them on my gifts this year. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this did create some inspiration, and I hope you're also having a wonderful holiday season. Until the next time, I will talk to you later. Take care. Bye.